Hey there, today, I want to share something that could really open the door to a brand new income stream for you, without the steep learning curve, technical headaches, or confusing crypto talk that usually comes with entering the digital asset space. If you've ever thought about getting into blockchain or digital assets but didn't know where to start, or maybe you tried before and ended up feeling lost, you are exactly who CoinSprint was made for. CoinSprint is a brand new platform that lets complete beginners launch their own digital assets in just 3 clicks, and in under 7 minutes. Yeah, you heard that right, 3 clicks. 7 minutes. That's all it takes to set up something that could generate real online income. And here's the best part. It's priced at just $17.97. No monthly fees, no hidden costs, just a one-time payment that gives you access to a proven, beginner-friendly system designed to make the process as simple and stress-free as possible. Now, you might be wondering, why digital assets? Why now? Well, the digital world is evolving fast. Blockchain is no longer just about Bitcoin or big tech companies. It's becoming more accessible, more practical, and yes, more profitable for everyday people like you and me. But most systems out there are packed with jargon, complex tools, and a lot of trial and error. CoinSprint flips the script. You don't need coding skills. You don't need to know how blockchain works. You don't even need to be tech savvy. All you need is a few minutes, a willingness to follow a simple step-by-step process, and the desire to finally build something that works. When you get inside CoinSprint, you'll be guided through a 3-step launch process. 1. Choose your digital asset. The platform makes it easy by walking you through your options. 2. Launch it with 3 clicks. Seriously, it's that fast. 3. Make it live. Your digital asset is officially out there, working for you. And this isn't just a one-time launch. You'll also learn how to turn that asset into an income funnel. Whether you're looking to build a list, offer bonuses, create low-ticket sales, or even reward your audience. The system includes ready-to-go templates, a quick start guide valued at $33, and access to a supportive community so you're never stuck wondering what to do next. What really sets CoinSprint apart is its focus on results without complexity. Most tools out there are made by developers, for other developers. CoinSprint? It's made by successful digital entrepreneurs who know what it's like to start from scratch. Jono Armstrong and Max Gerstenmaier have built systems that actually work for beginners, and their confidence in this product shows. But hey, I totally get it. Skepticism is healthy. Maybe you've bought other products before that overpromised and under-delivered. That's why CoinSprint comes with a 30-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee. If you follow the steps and still don't feel ready to launch your asset, you can get your money back, simple as that. Now here's something you don't want to miss. If you pick up CoinSprint through my link, I've put together some awesome exclusive bonuses to help you get even more out of it. These include additional tools and training that you won't find anywhere else, custom-made to give you a head start and increase your chances of success. But they're only available if you buy through me, so don't wait. So let me ask you, are you ready to stop sitting on the sidelines and finally step into the digital asset space with confidence? Because this isn't just a product, it's a chance to get in early, build something real, and position yourself for what's coming next in the world of online income and blockchain growth. Whether you're brand new or you've tried and failed before, CoinSprint offers a low-risk, high-potential path forward. For less than the price of a dinner out, you could be up and running with your very first digital asset today. If that sounds good to you, go ahead and check the link below. Grab CoinSprint, claim your bonuses, and get started right away. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button. That way, you won't miss any of my future tips and reviews to help you grow your digital income. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you inside.